How to connect a workstation to your Global Shop instance. For cloud customers that signed up to have Global Shop host their software in the cloud, you will need two things before starting on the workstation computer. If you don't have the information below, we included instructions on acquiring this information. 1. RDS credentials for each workstation computer. 2. Your Global Shop RD web URL. It's important to make a clear distinction. The login details you use for Global Shop software are different from those used to set up EMS Barcode certified hardware. RDS credentials serve to authenticate and authorize access to your Global Shop server, specifically for the published applications. These credentials are entirely separate from your user profile credentials used to log into Global Shop software. To access the published applications from Global Shop, you'll need the RD web URL, which stands for Remote Desktop Web Access URL. This URL serves as a web address that allows you to reach various applications published by Global Shop. These applications may include the full Global Shop software, SFDC, Time Clock, CodeSoft, and Google Chrome, depending on your setup and requirements. How to request RDS credentials and the RD web URL. Submit a cloud ticket requesting to have RD web users created. You need one account for each device purchased from EMS Barcode that will connect to Global Shop. This includes computers, time clocks, and tablets. This is not needed for any GS mobile device. For example, if you need 5 users, you can make the below request. Cloud team. I need 5 RD web users to connect the certified hardware we purchased from EMS Barcode Solutions to Global Shop. 1. Please set up 5 users using the format below and make the password the same for all 5 user accounts. 2. Please provide our RD web URL. Scanning the barcode will take you to a web page that you can copy this information from. When the cloud team responds, you will receive an account for each user you requested. The user account on the screen is an example of what the user account will look like based on the request made to the cloud team. The password will come as a link. When you click the link, the password will be available to copy or view. The link will expire in 7 days. You will also have the RD web URL. We will do a quick overview of the EMS Barcode Solutions profile for Global Shop software before we start using the computer. The EMS Barcode Solutions desktop profile is designed to provide a secure, streamlined desktop configuration for accessing your Global Shop ERP instance through an RDP connection or web-based dashboard. It's configured with 2 local user accounts. PC Admin, the local administrator account. From here, you can configure the RDP connection to connect to your Global Shop system or set the URL for your web-based dashboard. Workstation user. This account you'll use daily to access your Global Shop system. It provides shortcuts for both the RDP connection and the web dashboard from the desktop or the Start menu. Aside from the remote desktop client and Edge, the user can access no other applications, nor can they access local drives. The only page the user can access from the browser is the one specified in the web dashboard URL. Some companies need the profile to be modified to fit their specific needs. EMS Barcode will modify the profile at no additional cost to ensure you get the most out of your certified hardware. How to link the workstation to your Global Shop instance. On the workstation, as the PC admin user, open the browser. Go to the RD website that was provided. A pop-up box will appear. Type in a username and password provided by Global Shop. A second sign-in window will appear, and you will enter the same information again and sign in. You will be presented with the work resources published for your company. Click to download the file you want loaded on the computer. SFDC is the file for the workstation. When downloading the file, you can change the name so it is easy to identify each file. For example, you can save the file as SFDC Test, SFDC PLA, or SFDC Live. This makes it easy to identify which system you are connecting to. If dealing with multiple workstations that need to be set up, saving the file and user accounts to a USB drive will allow for easy transfer between workstations. Sign out of the Work Resources page. The downloaded file will be copied and used on each workstation computer. Signing into the Work Resources page with each user account, provided is not a requirement but does prove the account is active and working.
Click on the Windows icon. Verify you are logged in as PC admin. The SFDC file and a document with the username and password were saved to a USB drive and inserted into the computer. Open the USB drive and file so everything is ready. Clicking the Windows icon will open the Start menu. Open the EMS Barcode Solutions folder and click Update Global Shop RDP Connection. In the Open File Selection dialog, choose the RDP file you want to use. You can select an RDP file from a USB drive or other location. After the file is copied into the RDP directory, you'll be asked if you want to provide credentials for connecting to your Global Shop RDS server. This will allow users to open Global Shop apps through a single sign-on experience without providing login information each time they connect. If you enter Y, you must provide a login username and password. Note that you can only provide one set of credentials per workstation. Additionally, since credentials are used for all remote apps on a given server, you only need to provide credentials once if you wish to create multiple RDP shortcuts. Test the shortcut to confirm they open the correct connection. After you have confirmed the shortcuts work, change the user to Workstation User and restart the computer. When the computer restarts, click the Global Shop icon to confirm the shortcut is working. The computer is ready for some shop floor action. Thank you for being a valued customer. We sincerely hope that you found this video to be informative and beneficial.